Hello, my name is Eileen Head. This video is about worrying. What do we do when we begin to worry? Well, we go into fear and all sorts of other things. Worrying is sort of like a rocking chair. We're doing a movement, but we're not getting anywhere. In this past week, I started worrying about a person and a situation, and it was depleting my energy. In my Live Your Best Life coaching, I should know better, but in my Live Your Best Life coaching, I teach about vibrational energy. High vibrational energy brings more joy and happiness and attracts that energy to us, as well as low vibrational energy can bring more negative energy to us. And I could feel my energy really low. So often we don't know what do you do with the worrying, and it just keeps growing and growing. Little did I know that energetically I was sending worrying energy to this person, which was probably increasing their worrying as well. I belong to an empath group, and we are on a call once a week. And so I put it out to the group, and I told them the situation and what I was worrying about. Master empath mentor and intuitive, Tara Whitford, gave me these insights. She suggested that I open the crown of my head, bring in white light, open my heart to love, and send loving energy. I immediately began to feel better. It felt more positive. It felt more energetically right. It felt like I was doing something instead of feeling disempowered. The empaths in the group could also see the other person feeling the loving energy. We often don't know that we have the power to do that. And whether they feel it consciously or unconsciously, sending love is always the highest form of healing. So Tara Whitford is coming back to Calgary for a one-day workshop on June 22nd. She is going to be teaching you about how to deal with the everyday situations in life, about being an empath, what that means, what is your gift, and how to manage that. Because sometimes, as an empath, we can feel perfectly fine and go out in a crowd or even shopping, and we come home with a pain in our leg or in our head or whatever. And if you don't know that, you can ask, is this mine or is it not mine, and how to heal that and send that energy on. It can affect you for a while. So come and join us. You're going to be with other empaths. You're going to learn about your gift and how to manage it. And as an added bonus, there's going to be a panel of intuitives. And we are going to pick 6 people who are going to present their situation, and the intuitive panel will bring in spiritual messages for them. I hope you'll join us. I'm going to put the information in the link below. Early bird is ending soon. Don't miss it.